Prepared to be inspired because I am here with one of my recent graduates. Her name is Kerry, and she is 74. And if you want to shed pounds sustainably and you want to reduce or eliminate medications because you feel so much better, your lab work is improved, you're definitely going to want to listen to her experience of how she achieved some really amazing results eating optimally. So, Kerry, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So I want you to think back to the very first time you and I spoke on that consult call over Zoom. Why did you want to talk to me? What was going on with your health that you were concerned about?
I was still um, not losing weight. I had lost a bit of weight, but I was stagnant and I still had a pregnant belly and I wanted to get rid of that. I wanted to feel better.
Mhm.
I wanted to stop taking high cholesterol and high blood pressure medicine because I had been on it for many years and didn't understand why.
Mhm.
Um, I just, I needed something new. I had tried so many other things,
Mhm.
and what you have just made sense.
Mhm.
It made sense to me. And some of the other things didn't make any sense, but I tried everything anyway, except for shots.
Right.
And
You had tried a lot of things to help yourself,
mhm,
and you said you wanted to lose the weight, you wanted to get off medications, you didn't like being on the meds, you didn't know why you were on them, and you wanted to feel better. How would you explain how you were feeling at that time?
um, I was tired and I was anxious and um, I don't know. That was a while ago.
You're like, I know it can be hard to remember how bad you felt once you start feeling good. So
Yeah.
you desired to hire me, and I became your nutritionist, and you joined the program, and you decided to stay after the 10 weeks. Why did you decide to stay longer than 10 weeks?
Because I felt like I just needed a little more. I had a handle on optimal eating. I understood it,
Mhm.
but I I just needed to keep going a little more
Mhm.
to really just make it my way of living
Mm.
and
And
more encouragement,
Mhm.
you know.
Did you know that it was working within your first 10 weeks? Did that motivate you to want to stay longer?
Oh yeah. It was working within the first 1 or 2 weeks.
What
Yes.
what did you start to notice right away in those first 1 to 2 weeks?
Um, I was um, I don't think I was as anxious or tired. I think really the anxiety
Mhm.
really made a difference. Um, and I could, I think I had maybe a little more energy even in those 2 weeks.
Mhm. Mhm.
And I just knew I could do it. I
Mhm.
wasn't craving the old food.
Mhm.
And I just knew that I could do this.
Mhm.
It's crazy.
Were you losing, did you start losing weight your first 1 week, your first 2 weeks of eating optimally?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you were losing weight, you were less anxious, so much so that you got to reduce the medication.
Yes.
I went back and
Yes.
reviewed your evidence list, and for our viewer, we track our progress throughout our time here. And you reduced an anxiety medication within your first 11 days because of how much better you felt from eating optimally. What do you think of that now, looking back?
That's amazing because I was taking regular medicine for depression, but then I was taking an extra
Mhm.
medication when I needed it. And that I could have taken it 4 times a day if I felt I needed it. And that was the one that was down to not even one a day.
Yeah.
That was, yeah,
So you
that was
reduce
pretty amazing.
you reduce that really quickly. And fast forward to you being with me for 4.5 months and eating optimally for 4.5 months, which is a big achievement in and of itself. If you know you enjoy it and it's easy to keep going. Congratulations on achieving that in and of itself. But how much weight did you lose in 4.5 months?
Mm,
I mean, I can tell you if you don't know.
maybe 20, 20 more, um, 25, 27.
You lost 30 pounds
Oh
in four and a
gosh,
half months.
that's nuts.
Yeah, and Kerry, to our viewer, when we got on the call before we press record, Kerry's still hitting new lows. So she lost 30 pounds in 4.5 months, and she's still losing on her own now that she graduated because she graduated a couple weeks ago. She was just kind enough to come back and film this. So I'm going to share your weight loss chart per the permission you gave me before the call. So you can see and our viewers can see this
Crazy.
was 30 pounds in 4.5 months. Really awesome. Did you lose more weight than you thought you were going to?
Oh, definitely. I didn't even think it was possible. I and I said that. I said I don't think it's possible, but I wanted to be positive about it. But I I still didn't think so.
I
I
really
have
appreciate
not been at this weight. Oh, I can't even remember. So far back.
take a
I
guess.
don't think I weighed this when I got married in my 20s. I just I passed it right up a long time ago.
That's
Nuts. Just
amazing.
nuts.
And you did that. You turned 74 a few days ago. So you were 73 when you exceeded weight loss that you had not
Yeah,
achieved in decades.
yeah.
And what you said, I think, is really important. And I think it'd be really helpful for people watching this is you said I wanted to make sure I didn't think I could do it, but I wanted to make sure I could do it. It was like, and that is what helped you try was to know for certain that this wasn't going to work and you did it and it exceeded your expectations and you reduced the
Yeah.
medication within 11 days and you continued to eliminate other medications. Can you share with us what other medications you got off of?
That's the ones I wanted to. My blood pressure and the cholesterol medication. And when I asked about the cholesterol medication, my doctor said, cut it in half. And then when I talked to you about it, he said to challenge him and say, instead of cutting it in half and waiting 3 months, stop taking it and wait 3 months.
Mhm.
And so that makes so much sense too. So that's what I did.
And then
And then
what did the physician say then when you
he
challenged
said,
them?
he said, well, yeah, that that makes sense. There's no reason not to.
Because
But in
your
the
total
beginning, he was
yeah,
going to be so gradual about it.
your total cholesterol was really low. I think that's important for the viewer. It was really low.
Yeah.
And Kerry did a really great job advocating for herself with her doctor, something that I help my clients do because doctors are not used to seeing women in their 60s, 70s, and 80s improving their blood work and losing weight in a sustainable way that actually works and they're feeling better. So my clients come in there and they're the anomaly in the office and the doctors aren't used to taking people off meds safely. They're used to putting people
Yeah.
on them. I don't take anyone off meds. I can't do that. That would not be legal for me to do that. So I help my clients on what do you say? So Carrie did a great job with implementing what I was coaching her on of what to say to the doctor and And the doctor was like, well, yeah, that's it. Let's just
Well,
take you off. Yeah, it's like and I think the question is, what would be the harm in stopping now, considering it's so low and I don't want to take the medication and seeing what happens 3 weeks, 3 months from now? He was like, oh, there is no harm. We can do that. So, we were very strategic about that for you because if you would not have advocated for yourself in the way that you have, do you think that you would have reduced the medications?
um, no, I would have been like 3 months and retesting, and
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe even cut that in half in another 3 months,
Right.
you know.
Yep, exactly. And how did eating optimally impact your sleep?
Pardon me.
How did eating optimally impact your sleep?
Uh, I'm sleeping well. Yeah, I sleep through the night. Um,
Did it
I don't know.
improve your sleep? How were you sleeping before you started?
Um, I'd wake up a few times at night. And when I woke up in the morning, I would not feel rested sometimes. And now I wake up in the morning and I'm ready for the day, which is not to say I jump out of bed. I can still stay in bed for a while and read, but I am I'm not sleepy when I wake up, which
That's
is
great.
nice.
So you
Yeah.
wake up feeling rested. You don't
Hmm.
wake up feeling tired, and you're not waking up through the night anymore.
Not often. But if I do wake up, I go right back to sleep, which is
That's great. Yeah.
that's different.
And for the person watching this video, research shows that food impacts your sleep. What you eat can absolutely impact your sleep. So, people are really surprised to hear that eating optimally can actually help with your sleep as well. So, Kerry came here to feel better and to see if it was possible for her to lose weight. But what she ended up leaving with was utterly exceeding her weight loss expectations. In fact, getting to a place she hadn't been since before you got married, right? Is that what you said?
Mhm.
Right. And then eliminating a statin, eliminating a blood pressure medication, reducing an anxiety medication, and that happened quick, improving her sleep. How do you feel about yourself? How do you feel towards yourself for the fact that you did this?
Yeah, that's that's amazing. I I don't know. I some For a while there, I thought, you know, somebody should comment on this, and then I thought, no, I don't need praise from somebody else. All I need is to know that I did this and I can love myself, and I do. And sitting on the couch or in the car, I can look down and man, these thighs, they're littler. And that is so good. I just feel so good about myself.
Good.
That's crazy. I love it.
Good. I'm so
Yes.
happy for you. And we will praise you. You did an amazing, amazing job. I'm so happy for you. I'm so proud of you. I'm glad that you're still continuing to eat optimally and you're still shedding pounds sustainably even after you've been here. What was your experience like eating the food? Do you like what you eat? Did you have to buy any food from me? Did we have you take shots or pills or buy any products or anything like that?
No, no, I just, it's a good thing that I like the food that I should be eating. That helps.
Mm-hmm.
And I am trying new things,
Mm-hmm.
and it's I don't know. I don't crave things. I just like them. I have my food ready and it's handy, and I
Mm-hmm.
can just eat it.
Great. What was the scariest part about saying yes to this and trying? What was the hardest part about joining the program?
I think the hardest part was, and people need to know that you can do this
Mm-hmm.
even if you live in a house where other people not only are not, but will not. Um, my husband is does not eat well, and he brings anything he wants home, and he eats his sweets and he eats his not good food. And I just had to, I don't know. I mean, I know that I had to learn to say no, but that wasn't difficult when I decided I was going to eat optimally and
And you had
I
optimal food
wasn't
to
hungry
eat.
and I just said I just didn't want it.
Yeah.
So you
Because
can do that.
when you eat this way, you're not hungry. When you eat, you're
Mm-mm.
satiated and you reduce your
Yeah.
cravings for sweets. All right, we have to hop off now. So, is there anything that you would like to say to the person watching this video who's in her 70s and she is scared it's not going to work? What would you say to her?
Oh, it will work. It will. Listen to Trisha. She's wonderful and it will work.
Thank you, Carrie. We're always cheering you on. You did an amazing job. You keep up the great work and
Thank you.
congratulations on everything you achieved here.